biggest challenges that brands are facing today as we begin to adopt the new standard. So I'll add my thoughts, and Amber, if there's anything that you think is missing, let me know. But honestly, from what we see, it's really where do we get started? There's so much to do, so many teams to get involved, all the different mechanics and logistics around it. That's honestly the biggest challenge is where do we get started? How do we begin? So for us, again, it's attending webinars like this where you're learning those different steps and who to get involved, what questions to ask, and where people are stumbling. So to me, that's really the first step is where do I start? Amber, what are your thoughts?
I have to give a +1 to that. What we definitely find is because there's so much potential and so many choices, and you're now talking about barcodes might have traditionally been owned by operations and supply chain folks, but now we're talking about ones with major marketing components. There's a lot of cross-functional goals that need to be met by one thing, and getting that alignment has been an interesting piece in terms of where to get started. And the best advice from the conversations I've had is pick where you can start, that crawl phase, get the benefits from that and work towards that other stuff over time. You don't need to do this overnight with everything.